Looking for the best laser distance meters? Today, we're exploring some of the top options available on Amazon and highlighting the best picks for home and professional use. Whether you're working on DIY projects, renovations, or construction, stay tuned to see which laser distance meters for home use combine accuracy, versatility, and convenience. Number 1. RockSeed Laser Distance Meter. The RockSeed Laser Distance Meter makes measuring simple and precise. It measures up to 165 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy and features a dual bubble level for perfectly aligned readings. The bright LCD backlight ensures clear visibility in dark corners, while the mute setting lets you measure quietly in libraries or classrooms. It handles distance, area, volume, and even tricky Pythagorean calculations. Plus, it can store up to 20 readings for later reference. Built to last, the RockSeed meter is dust and water resistant, IP54, fits comfortably in hand, and comes with a wrist strap. Batteries are included, making it ready to use right out of the box. Number 2. Mileseey Laser Distance Meter S7. The Mileseey S7 is designed for precise outdoor measurements, reaching up to 330 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy. Its digital point finder camera with 2x zoom makes targeting easy even in bright sunlight. With P2P technology, you can measure between 2 points from a single location, saving time. The large 2.4-inch IPS backlit display is readable from any angle, and the intuitive interface makes operation simple. It's IP65 rated for dust and water resistant and comes with rechargeable batteries, a carrying case, and hand strap, perfect for outdoor projects or large-scale property measurements. Number 3. Inkerma Laser Distance Meter RS393. The Inkerma RS393 speeds up measurements with its dual laser system, measuring in 2 directions at once. Tilt friction support makes angle and slope measurements simple. With a range of 393 feet and plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy, it handles everything from simple room layouts to complex projects. Switch between single or dual laser modes, calculate areas, volumes, or use the Pythagorean method. Portable and professional, it comes with a rechargeable battery lasting over 5,000 measurements, plus a hand strap, Type-C cable, and carrying bag. Number 4. Fantikk Laser Distance Meter A10 Pro. The Fantikk A10 Pro combines a 9.8-foot digital tape with a 165-foot laser, making it versatile for indoor or outdoor use. Its 1.47-inch IPS color display ensures readings are clear even in sunlight. It offers laser accuracy plus 1/8 inch, tape accuracy plus 1/16 inch, and angle measurement plus 1 degree. With support for 6 units, 3 modes, and 3 reference points, it even works with a tripod. Store up to 30 readings and recharge quickly via Type-C for over 5,000 measurements per charge. Number 5. MyCampix Laser Distance Meter. The MyCampix Laser Distance Meter is perfect for DIYers and professionals. With dual bubble levels, it measures up to 165 feet with plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy. Switch between meters, inches, and feet easily, and read results clearly on the backlit LCD display. Use silent mode for quiet environments. Measure distance, area, volume, or indirect Pythagorean calculations, and store up to 99 readings. It's IP54 rated, dust and water resistant, with a rubberized grip and wrist strap. Compact, reliable, and ready for any project. That's our guide to the best laser distance meters. If this video helped, check the links to see the latest prices on Amazon and explore these top options for home and professional projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest tool reviews.